Hello everybody, today we can see about Snibe Diagnostics, Maglumi, AFP, CLIA. Over here we can see the brand name Snibe Diagnostics and we can see the product name Maglumi, AFP, CLIA, chemiluminescence, immunoassay method. Over here we can see the contents of this kit: 2.5 ml magnetic microbeads, 1 ml calibrator low, 1 ml calibrator high, 13.5 ml buffer, 13.5 ml ABI label, 5 ml dilute, 1 ml control 1, 1 ml control 2. Over here we can see the reference number of this product 130201033M, then lot number, then expiry date of this kit. Here we can see one instruction manual. Inside this kit we can store away from direct sunlight. This kit maintains between 2 degrees Celsius to 8 degrees Celsius. We can do untested using this kit. This is C certificate IVD product. Here we can see the manufacturing details of this product. This is the overall front view of this product. We can see another angles. This is the top angle. This angle we can see the brand name Snibe Diagnostics. On the other side we can see the Snibe Diagnostics brand name. On the other side we can see the product name Maglumi, AFP, then reference number 130201033M, then lot number, then expiry date also. This is the overall representation of this product. I am going to unpack this for your reference. Yeah, we can see the first product from this kit. Instruction manual. Here we can see the brand name Snibe Diagnostics. The reference number of this kit 130201033M for 100 tests. This is C certificate IVD product. Here we can see the product name Maglumi, AFP, CLIA. In this instruction manual we can see the intent use, summary, test principle, reagents, warnings and precautions, then specimen collection and preparation, specimen conditions, preparation for analysis, specimen storage, lot of stuff in this instruction manual. We keep this aside. The next product is a QC certificate provided by Snibe Diagnostics. I will keep this aside. The next product is a reagent seal, Maglumi, AFP, and keep this aside. The next one is AFP control stickers, total of 8 NOS. Here we can see AFP control 1 for 4 stickers and AFP control 2 for 4 stickers, total of 8 NOS. The next one is a control 1 and control 2 solution packed in a cover. I am going to unpack this for your reference. Here we can see clearly the control solutions AFP control 1 and AFP control 2. Both are 1 ml. We keep this aside. The next one is Maglumi, AFP, CLIA. This reagent kit contains 2.5 ml magnetic microbeads, 1 ml calibrator low, 1 ml calibrator high, 13.5 ml buffer, 13.5 ml ABI label, 5 ml dilute. We can keep away from direct sunlight. This kit maintain between 2 degrees Celsius to 8 degrees Celsius. We can do under test using this test kit. This is a C certificate IVD product. And keep this aside. Here we go for summary. Today we can see Snibe Diagnostics Maglumi AFP. In this kit contains one instruction manual, a Maglumi reagent seal, control stickers, QC certificate provided by Snibe Diagnostics, then 2.5 ml magnetic microbeads, 1 ml calibrator low, 1 ml calibrator high, 13.5 ml buffer, 13.5 ml ABA label, 5 ml diluent, one control 1 solution and a control 2 solution. This is the overall preparation of this kit. Thank you.